Hello guys, how are you? I'm Faizan and I have a new video for you. It's about how to find an airport in Gangster Vegas. So let's start, and for that we have to open our game, and it's here, click and it's on. So it comes here. For it you should have a capable mobile phone so that the game runs smoothly, and probably this device has it capability. So first of all, it's an ad, cancel it, and there is a reward for me. I have collected it. Now let's enter in the game. Okay, here it is. So you can see how here we can now, but first of all we have to catch an car vehicle so that we can reach to our destination, and it's a faster one. And now let's go there. Oh, what is this? Okay, now let's go. This radio always hits me. I'm hate of it. Always, what you call it, I don't like it. So let's see here in the map. First of all, we'll go to car seller so that we'll sell a car here, and here is our destination, and we have to reach this stop. So let's go, and first of all we have to find a costly car so that we can sell it at a best possible price. Okay, going. Okay, I think here is a car and we have to get it now. So fast, and stop here. We have to block the road so that it won't escape. Okay. Oh, but here is a nice car. We will follow it and we will catch the car. And here we go. Right. Okay, stop, and we have to enter in this car. Okay, let him out. Oh, but here is a police, so we have to escape from him. First of all, we will escape from the police. Then we will sell the car. It has a better value. Okay, it's better value. And oh, what accidents are here, and I think we have reached our destination, and here it is. If you want to double the price, you can click the option in watch videos, so the money will double up, but we have not. I have used it once, so it probably works after 24 hours, so we have to done it like this, and I have received 27,800 rupees. So let's start, and now we'll head on to our next destination, that is an airport. So for that we need a car, and here it is. Oh no, it's lost. Here comes another car, and we won't lose it. Oh, it's also lost. Here it is. It won't be. Oh, it's police. A star. They always give it. The police of this city has no work except catching the thieves of car. So let's escape from them first. Okay, it's freezing, and we have escaped them. Now we have to go to the map so that we'll find out our but first of all, let's see. Here is a car, you can see it. I will show you a car which is very costly. If you can catch it, it costs very much. It's highly priced. You can see it, the sign on the car. It's the sign that it's a very costly car, but we won't enter in it, because if we enter in it, we will have to, the police will catch us, because after entering in the car, it's our wantedness is 5 star, so we have no chance then to live. So we'll enter in our own car and start to go to our destination. Okay, first of all we'll go to maps, but first we'll we'll go to maps and it will show you the destination where I have to go. Here is the map of the whole city, and here it is first where we sell our cars. Car seller is here, and there it's car seller, and that which is on the top right corner, here it is an airport. I will figure out it. Okay, here it is. This is an airport and we have to reach there. Now let's go to our destination. Oh, what is it? As I said earlier, I hate radio. I never opened it. I kept it off because I hate it. It's talking of nonsense. It's daytime now. Okay, it's fully daytime of noon time, and I think we have reached our destination. Probably. Yeah, we have reached our destination. But first of all, we'll catch a car, better car, and here it is, a better car. Oh, it's running. Oh, no, we have kept it. And thrown him out of the car. Go back and ran away from the site. And moving towards our destination. That was not our destination. We are stopped. It's there's a lot of distance now. Remain now. Oh shit. Okay. Come on. So here we are. We have reached the destination, and you can see here is an entrance to the building, and we have to enter from this entrance. So let's enter. Break the bars, and here go right side, and you can see there are planes parked here. On the left side of you, there's a passenger plane, but when we will first park our car here, but we know that it won't be here. But if we go close to this passenger plane, we can't enter it because it has no entrance and it is parked here. So we have to find out another. We have to land here. Okay, okay, it's landing. Okay, we have land. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.